First of all, there's no sound to this, just me commentating because my neighbour's at a party and all you could hear them is swearing. I've got this, I think it was 11cm bar, a bit of scrap, and at this point I'm putting a taper on both ends and flattening the taper down. Well, as you can see. Next, I explain what I'm going to do. I am going to use my scrolling tongs and hold the bar at the end and basically bend it round the tip. Here you go. So you can see I've got it at the tip, heat it up, and all I'm going to do is bend it round the top. Nothing fancy there, just a little bit of a scroll. Now I'm going to heat it up and I'm showing you where I'm going to put it next time. Further down the scroll and then bend it round. Here you'll see I should have heated it up a lot more than it was before attempting the scroll. I could have made a jig, but I thought, why not try scrolling? At this point all I'm doing is tidying it up, making it much tighter. It's a bit weird without the sound effect, so let's make some ting, 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 ting. No, I won't do that, that's a bit weird. Just finishing the scroll now. Since you're here, why not hit that subscribe button and maybe even give it a like. I think I talk about here that I'm wearing a white shirt and it's not dirty, but still I better not let my wife find out because she'd probably kill me. And there it is, all finished. You can have it on there or on the wrist.